Oh, hurry out, this bloody flies. G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today I'm out testing my 21-inch front wheel conversion. Straight away I've noticed a bit of a problem on the bigger bumps. I'm just hitting the back of this guard. Because this wheel's bigger than the old one, to keep the same height, I slid the forks through the triple clamps a bit, so I've shortened it up a bit. I might have to put that back where it was. Anyway, wheel feels great anyway. Narrower tyre, bigger wheel, it's going to feel a bit different. It feels a bit different on the road. It feels like it wants to ride itself a lot more. Steering's a lot lighter. I've lost a lot of unsprung weight. I should have weighed this before I put it back on. When I first got this wheel, it had an off-road tyre on it and a lightweight tube, and it was only 6 kilos. I think this tyre is a bit heavier though. So to get it to fit on the axle was quite easy. The V-Strom's axle is 17 millimeters. The bearings on the YZ wheel is 20 millimeters. So I made up some step sleeves. And then I made up this aluminium spacer to set the wheel in the right position. So this wheel is off a Yamaha YZ450F. I've fitted a Stopp Oversized disc. This is 320 millimeters. So that was one concern I had, was going from two 310 millimeter discs to one 320 millimeter disc, and it brakes fine. It brakes really well. Happy with that. Braking's fine. Yeah, that grips really well. So this adapter was quite hard to make. I had to muck around a bit, took a bit of trial and error, but I've got it where I'm happy with it. So why put a 21-inch wheel on there? Because I can. Something to do. I just love modifying this bike. Making it as off-road. I'm making it more off-road capable. It's never going to be a dual sport. It's a heavy bike, no matter what I do to it. I don't do a lot of touring on it, so why not have some fun? Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get riding. See if we can get up this hill. So we'll see if we can get up this hill. I failed on it a couple of weeks ago. My tyres weren't really up to the task, but one of the biggest problems is I couldn't carry enough speed over all these bumps. I was on Shinko 804, 805s. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, you bastard. Oh. There's a good spot to get out of. So tyres, I've got a Motoz Tractionator Desert HT up front and a Motoz Tractionator Rallz at the back. Oh, nearly forgot. And this will give it a test in dry, rocky conditions. Oh, far out. Yeah, nice. Yeah, the Shinko wouldn't have done that as easy. You don't know what's over these bumps till you get to it, but I can accelerate out of it a lot better. Oh, I took the highest bit then. We'll get over this side again. Whoops, big climb up there. Right, get some seriously this. Oh, apart from bottoming out. Oh, where are you going? Whoop. Come on, we're nearly there. Oh, much better. Oh, we're still going. I thought that was it. Oh, far out. And that's it, we're back to the main road. Awesome. Righto, let me get in the shade. So really happy with how that went. So my next plan is to put upside down forks on from a WR450. I have the triple clamps and the axle. I've got the brakes as well, I just need the forks. And I also want to fit a spoked wheel to the back, an 18-inch. It looks really out of whack now with the 17 rear and the 21 front. That back wheel, I don't know. It seems like it's going to be a lot harder to me. The front, I had to get the wheel in the centre and line up the disc. This side I've got to line up the wheel in the centre, a disc and a sprocket. And I'd prefer something with a cush drive as well. Most dirt bikes don't have. Righto, I'm just going to get my breath back and enjoy the view. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please feel free to drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.